Did you know that just a tablespoon of sesame seeds can give you a massive boost of calcium more than a glass of milk? That's right. These tiny seeds pack a serious nutritional punch. Today, I want to share with you 7 amazing daily benefits of incorporating sesame seeds into your diet. From promoting heart health to supporting bone health, these little seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition. So, let's dive right in and explore the incredible advantages of adding sesame seeds to your daily routine. Sesame seeds have been a staple in many cuisines around the world for centuries, and for good reason. They're incredibly versatile, can be added to a variety of dishes, and offer a nutty flavor that's hard to resist. But what really sets them apart is their impressive nutritional profile. Whether you sprinkle them on top of your salad, add them to your stir-fry, or blend them into a smoothie, sesame seeds are an easy way to boost the nutritional value of your meals. And the best part is, you don't need to make any drastic changes to your diet to reap the benefits. Sesame seeds are an excellent source of essential nutrients like vitamin E, vitamin B1, and magnesium. They're also rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. When it comes to nutrients, sesame seeds are truly a superfood. They contain a high number of antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This is especially important for maintaining overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Sesame seeds are also a rich source of vitamin B6, which plays a crucial role in many bodily functions, including energy metabolism and nerve function. And with their high content of magnesium, they can help regulate blood pressure and promote bone health. One of the most significant benefits of sesame seeds is their impact on heart health. The healthy fats and antioxidants they contain help lower bad cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function. This can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease, strokes, and high blood pressure. The antioxidants in sesame seeds also help protect against oxidative stress, which can contribute to the development of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. By incorporating sesame seeds into your diet, you can reduce your risk of these diseases and promote overall heart health. Sesame seeds are also an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, which can help lower LDL cholesterol and improve overall cardiovascular health. And with their high fiber content, they can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve digestion. Speaking of digestion, sesame seeds are a great way to support gut health. The high fiber content in sesame seeds helps feed the good bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. This can lead to a range of benefits, including improved digestion, boosted immunity, and even weight loss. The fiber in sesame seeds can also help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of developing insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. And with their antioxidant properties, sesame seeds can help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, further supporting gut health. Sesame seeds are also known for their potential benefits for skin health. The antioxidants and healthy fats they contain can help moisturize and nourish the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This can lead to a more radiant and youthful complexion, and even help reduce the risk of skin conditions like acne and psoriasis. The antioxidants in sesame seeds can also help protect the skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV radiation, further supporting skin health. And with their anti-inflammatory properties, sesame seeds can help reduce redness and irritation, leaving your skin looking smoother and more even-toned. Consuming sesame seeds can also help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great addition to a diabetic diet. The fiber and healthy fats in sesame seeds slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, reducing the spike in blood sugar levels. This can help manage insulin resistance and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Sesame seeds are also a rich source of minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are essential for bone health. These minerals help regulate bone metabolism, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. And with their high content of vitamin K, sesame seeds can help direct calcium to bones and teeth, further supporting bone health. The impressive nutrient profile of sesame seeds can also have a profound impact on overall wellness. The antioxidants and healthy fats they contain can help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. And with their ability to regulate blood sugar levels, sesame seeds can even help boost energy levels and reduce fatigue. By incorporating sesame seeds into your daily diet, you can experience a range of benefits that extend far beyond their nutrient profile. From promoting heart health to supporting bone health, sesame seeds are a simple and effective way to improve your overall well-being. So there you have it, 7 amazing daily benefits incorporating sesame seeds into your diet. From promoting heart health to supporting overall wellness, these tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition. Make sure to add them to your daily routine and experience the incredible advantages for yourself. I'd love to hear from you. How do you plan to incorporate sesame seeds into your meals? Do you have a favorite recipe or way of using them? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about the health benefits of other seeds, be sure to check out my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.